In this video, we will see how to transfer your Tosca execution results to Excel. This is useful as it allows you to further process and analyze this data with third-party software. To transfer execution results from the detail column to an Excel sheet, first we will need to highlight all execution objects whose results we want to transfer. Then we right-click and select Copy Table to Clipboard from the context menu. We can now proceed and paste the table to our Excel. By expanding or collapsing execution entries, we can choose the level of details we want to transfer to our Excel. We are now ready to process our data.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips and tricks and user tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.